Singapore to Vietnam on Singapore Airlines Business Class. The lounge was actually dead silent, hence why I didn't actually record me speaking over there. So yeah, I did want to eat something, but there was very little halal food options. This is all they had. So while being in the clouds thousands of feet in the air, I had to have a glass of apple juice. My god, it was good. So here's a look at the toilet, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a sink, of course we've got some amenities if needed. And yeah, if you guys remember the facial mist from my England vlogs. Welcome to Con 7 Makeup. We're today using the facial mist from Singapore Airlines. So yeah, welcome to the toilet and it's officially relaxation time. We've got our movie. We stretched out the blanket, a pillow. Look at our mocktail. Apple juice and 7-Up. Yeah, I'm gonna chill, and the next time I see you guys is we're landing. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we had our very first look of Hanoi, Vietnam. Be sure to stay tuned because very soon I'll be releasing a vlog of a crazy adventure I had in Vietnam. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.